Hi everyone, my name is Tomislav Šarić. I'm coming from Croatia actually. I'm regional sales manager for IT and Edge infrastructure. And today actually we are not going to talk much about the products but more about the trends that we see that are happening in this industry. So for the beginning we'll start with just a short video. Okay, this was pretty loud. I'm not going to be that much loud, so. Okay, so we are talking about the edge, actually. I know you heard a lot about this. It's like a hype in this industry, becoming more and more often mentioned. And actually, we as a company, we try to see what is actually driving this edge. Who are the users of it? Who is actually having a need for that? So, generally, as we started, it's all about the disruption. We are talking about the digital disruption today. So all the digital things that companies are facing are a little bit disrupting their business. And actually, it's not about what they see here. We speak more about what they might be missing with this digital disruption, actually. So what we are seeing here is that amount of data is just growing rapidly in the past years. So the amount of data that is created, that is consumed, is much bigger and bigger all the time. And actually, it draws the things that we might miss in this case. So actually, that edge computing is going to grow 41% year over year for the next few years. Also that there are new emerging edge-based models. Also the old systems architecture of the network, like from cloud, from core to the users, is going to be converging from core edge user due to that fact. And also, there is a growth of a lot of automation, automated application, artificial intelligence, 3D printer data, and things like that. So, here, I don't know, have you ever heard for Amara's law? So it's about how technology impacts the human expectations. So usually, we have a human expectation that on the short term, we are actually overestimating the technology. But in the long term, we start to underestimate it as users. I will use this example afterwards during this presentation. It will be important to see why this Amara law is mentioned here, actually. So, as we notice that there is a lack of information who is actually driving this edge, we try to figure it out by ourselves, doing some survey. And actually, let's imagine the network as a living city and its transportation system. So you know that people are living in the center of the city, usually. All is happening there, businesses, people, but also there are some people living in the suburbs. And they're actually going in and out to the city. So let's call